Pastry section. Here you'll find 4 basic recipes to make 4 classic preparations. The first, pasta choux, to make baked or fried cream puffs. The second, sponge cake, the basis for making soft cakes. The third, pastry crust, to make jam tarts, but also for oven-baked cookies. The fourth, Garofalo, to make fried donuts and more. This dough can also be used not only for fried pastries, but for oven-baked pastries such as croissants and currant buns. The choice is up to you. So, let's get started. We can replace the lard with butter using the same quantities. We'll cook it until it comes away from the sides of the pan. We'll add 1 egg at a time so that it's well absorbed in the batter.